Now, if you're thinking about starting your business this year, you're in the right place. This video is going to give you everything you need to start strong in this evolving digital landscape. So let's dive in. But before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I post a new video. Now, hands down, 2025 is a pivotal year for new entrepreneurs. Why? Because you have emerging technologies, you have a shift in consumer behavior, and you also have global trends. So whether it's selling digital products, being a freelancer, doing e-commerce, being a coach, a consultant, no matter what kind of business you want to start, now is the time to do it. So we're going to cover the steps to starting your business. We're going to look at key trends that are shaping industries, tools to help you succeed, and tips on how to stay ahead of the curve. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is AI integration. You know, AI is huge right now. Back when I started business in 2012, I had to do a lot of things myself. I was blogging every day. I had to learn copywriting, SEO, how to do my own graphics. I put in a lot of footwork to learn all of these different things when it came to digital marketing and how to support my business. But now we have AI, and AI is transforming industries worldwide. This includes customer service, marketing, and product creation, but the list goes on and on. Now, what I absolutely love about ChatGPT is that it saves us a lot of time and it also drives great results. But what I would suggest is that you use ChatGPT for inspiration and research. You absolutely do not want it to take your voice away by copying and pasting everything that it gives you. That's not going to be effective when it comes to building your personal brand as an authority in your niche. Now that we got that out the way, AI can definitely be a massive advantage to helping you position your business for success. So we're talking about ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can help us write our marketing copy, brainstorm product ideas, and also give us title and descriptions for our social media videos. It can do all the things. And believe it or not, some people are still intimidated by AI, but you don't have to be a tech genius to figure this out. There are many simple and affordable tools that are beginner friendly, and it can help you with starting your business. So let's look at 3 of those right now. First tool is one of my faves, and that's Canva. Canva can help you create posts, templates, workbooks, presentations, logos, you name it, Canva can do it. Canva has AI-powered features that make the design process a lot easier. They have this magic resize feature where you can create a design one time and then resize it for different platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. So let's say you want to promote a class, you want to promote a product, anything. You can create that design one time and then resize it so that you can promote it everywhere. Canva also has Magic Write, W-R-I-T-E, in Canva Docs, and that can help you create captions, headlines, and blog ideas. So Canva is great if you're a one-person show, maybe you don't have the means to hire a graphic designer, or you're bootstrapping, or you just don't really feel like it right now. Canva will be your go-to for professional looking design. The second one is Copy AI, which is your personal copywriting assistant. I told you in the beginning, I had to learn copywriting all myself, and it took me some time. But now you have Copy AI, which is a lifesaver for writing anything you need for your business. It could be email campaigns, product descriptions, catchy headlines. Copy AI just makes it quick and easy. Here's how it works. You type in what you need. So let's say it's write a product description for a new eco-friendly water bottle. What the AI is going to do is it's going to create several options for you to choose from. So Copy AI is great in those moments where you may have writer's block or you just want to speed up the content creation process. If you're launching an online course, let's say Copy AI can help you with your sales emails, your landing page copy, and your ad copy if you plan on running ads. And last but not least, we have Pictory. Pictory is a tool that can help you create engaging videos using text. So here's how it works. You upload a blog post, a script, even an idea, and Pictory will turn that into a polished video complete with stock footage, captions, and music. Talk about working smarter and not harder. Okay, this is great for people that don't have editing skills or you don't have time to learn a new software. Now, with content being king in 2025, Pictory is making it a lot easier. Now, let's say you're a coach that shares tips on personal branding like me. You can write a script, give it to Pictory, and it'll kick out a professional looking video ready for YouTube and Instagram Reels in no time. These 3 tools, Canva, Copy AI, and Pictory, are just the tip of the iceberg. but they're great starting points for new entrepreneurs who want to integrate AI into their business without feeling overwhelmed. They're going to save you time, simplify your workload, and create professional results, even if you're a complete. If you decide to try any of these tools, let me know about your experience in the comments. If there are any other AI tools for entrepreneurs that you would like me to review, also let me know in the comments. Now we're going to look at some step-by-step guidance on starting your business. And the first thing we want to do is identify a problem and validate your idea. So how I look at this is the world. Here are the problems. What is your contribution to a problem? Now, I'm sure you have an idea, but if you don't, it's okay. I have a link in the description. I'm going to post a video where I show you how to do some market research so you can find a profitable idea. Now, we want to solve real problems. So that's going to take us talking to potential clients and customers so they can tell us what their challenges are, their fears, their struggles, their pain points, everything we need to know to come up with a solution that is out of this world. That's what we want to do. So they're going to give you everything you need to hear so that you know what's going to motivate them to buy from you. Now that you have an idea, you have to validate it by running a small beta group. A small beta group is about 10 to 20 people. I don't care if you're selling a physical product, a digital product such as a course, or a service. The beta group is there to give you feedback. This is going to help you make some tweaks. It's also going to give you testimonials for social proof that will help you sell over and over. You can see how we're starting to build this up. So now that you have your idea validated, we can create the business plan. This is going to include your mission, your target audience, your product or service, and your business model. Use tools such as Notion or Monday to help you map this out. You can also go into Canva and find a business plan template. The next thing we want to look at is building your brand. So whether you're building a personal brand or a business brand, your brand is your business's personality. So you want to look at your logo, your brand colors, and your messaging. Everything needs to be cohesive on all platforms, including your website. Now, you can do this yourself. You can reach out to me. This is my specialty, or you can go to some place like Upwork where they have branding professionals. So setting up your online presence means your social media accounts and your website. For your website, if you're setting up a personal brand, it should be your name.com. If it's your agency, whatever the name of the agency is, .com. Whatever the name of your business is, .com is what you should be buying. So you can go to GoDaddy or Namecheap to see what's available. You want to purchase that, and then you want to decide what platform you're going to build a website on. Is it going to be Wix, Squarespace, WordPress, just to name a few? My personal preference is WordPress. Some people feel like WordPress is the absolute most difficult platform in the world to build a website on. This is where I started. This is where I am now. I feel like WordPress is better for Google and SEO when it comes to getting found online. So it has a lot to do with the flexibility and the functionality. WordPress, you can customize anything with a WordPress website. As far as your social media goes, just focus on the places where your audience is. Pick 1 to 2 platforms, show up consistently, engage, build relationships, post content to give value, all these different things, because you don't want to spread yourself too thin trying to be everywhere just to be everywhere. So if you want to do more business to business, you want to connect with more professionals, get on LinkedIn. If you want to do more product selling, be on TikTok and Instagram, places like that. So you choose 2 places to start with, and then you can branch out. I don't want to overwhelm you with tools, but here are a few more that you can use in your business. QuickBooks and Wave for accounting, PayPal, Stripe for sending invoices or using it as a shopping cart. For email marketing, we have MailChimp, MailerLite, ConvertKit, Aweber. Those are cost effective. And for scheduling your social media posts, you have Buffer. There are plenty of those out there that you can look up in Google as well. And for e-commerce, you have Shopify and Etsy. So those are just a few that you can start out with. They're pretty simple to use and they're cost effective. I know we've already talked about testing your offer, but when it comes to marketing, I would not suggest running ads right away. If you don't know what you're doing with ads, you will waste a lot of money. I suggest you start off organically with social media and also collaborating with influencers and established brands in your industry. This is not hard at all. This is actually how I got started. In 2014, I started doing summits. And what summits did was it allowed me to not only build my email list, but it allowed me to collaborate with people who were further along than I was. They were making 6 and 7 figures and I wanted to be where they were. And so all these experts came together for my event and I was able to really build a lot of trust and credibility. And that's where your focus should be when you're building your brand, focusing on building trust and credibility. I won't go into detail about summits in this video, but in a nutshell, let's just say these experts shared their audience with me. They shared their communities with me and I was able to build my email list and then sell my products and services to that newly built email list. So in my opinion, this is the best way to build and sell organic. Okay, so if you made it this far, we're at the last part of this lesson and this is where I give you some pro tips for success in 2025. So the first thing is keep learning. Always be a student. There are plenty of groups and communities out there that you can join. Go to virtual networking events. Go to networking events in your area. But also stay up to date on the trends and different perspectives so that you can get ideas for your content and for your programs and your products and services as well. Stay humble, but also remember that you know a lot more than somebody else that's coming up after. The next thing is invest in building your community. You will build a loyal audience if you consistently show up and give value. You want to make sure that people have different touch points with you, all right? Because that customer journey is very, very important. You don't want somebody to be interested in what you have to offer and then you fall off the face of the earth, right? We want people to buy from us, but we want them to buy over and over and over again. We want to keep them as a loyal customer. So I'm going to do a separate video on the funnel because that's how you're going to have those different touch points with your customers. And that's how you're going to keep them engaged with what you have going on so that when you come out with new products and services, they're right there ready to buy. And the last thing is you want to have some diversity in your income. So you want to have different ways to make money. So let's say you're a coach or a consultant, you might want to also sell digital products. If you have people that can't afford your higher price coaching services, they can start off with the digital product. It still puts money in your bank account, right? So that's what we want to do. We want to have different ways to make money. Even if you have a membership site, you might want to have different levels to the membership site. A mentorship program, you might want to have different levels for that. And then you can branch out and do some affiliate marketing and have physical products as well. There's never been a better time to get started. And remember, this is your year to take that leap. So leave me a comment below. Let me know your business ideas, any questions that you have, and also check out the resources in the description.